Welcome to my channel Gaurang the Motivator. In my previous class I had discussed about resistance in series and parallel, and I had told you that I will be discussing on combination of resistance numericals. Okay, so in this class we will begin with the numericals, and all my sessions that I have done related to this chapter electricity, I have given the links in my below description. So let's begin this numerical which is on the board. Here the question says, in the circuit shown in the figure, calculate the equivalent resistance between the 2 points or points A and B. Okay, so there are 2 points A, point B. In between this there are resistors connected in parallel as well as series combination. So we have to find the total resistance of the given combination. Now we know that these 3 resistors are connected in parallel connection, and these 2 resistors are also connected in parallel connection. So what we have to do is, let's take this as RP, okay, and this as RP dash, because it's in parallel connection and this is series connection. So now first let's consider this as R1, this as R2, this as R3, this as R4, R5 and R6. Okay, so now first we have to find the resistance in parallel for these 3 resistors. Later we have to find the resistance in parallel for these 2 resistors, then totally added up with the series combination. So let's write given in the question, okay, R1 is equals to R2 is equals to R3 is equals to 3 ohms, right? Next we have R4 is equals to 5 ohms, so we will write here R4 is equals to 5 ohms. Then we have R5 as 4 ohms, R5 is equals to 4 ohms, and R6 as 6 ohms, R6 is equals to 6 ohms. These are the concepts what has been given in the question. Now to find the total resistance R, this is what we have to find. R is equals to question mark, R is equals to question mark, that is R between A and B. Now moving on to, we know that these 3 resistors are connected in parallel, so the formula to calculate, we'll take it as 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the formula what we are going to calculate for these 3 resistors which are connected in parallel. Now we have here other 2 resistors which are connected in parallel, so let's take that as 1 by Rp dash. Those 2 resistors are R5 and R6, so we will take it as 1 by R5 plus 1 by R6. Okay, 1 by R6. Now the total resistance R is equals to Rp plus we have R4, okay, R4 plus that is this one Rp dash. This will be the total resistance in the given circuit diagram. Okay, total resistance. Now solution. Let's go for the solution. Okay, so these are the 3 formulas, 1, 2 and 3. So let's take solution number 1. Solution number 1, that is 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, we get 1 by Rp. We have the values there, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so taking the LCM of 3 is 3 here, so we get 1 plus 1 plus 1. We got 1 by Rp is equals to 3 by 3, that is equals to 1 ohm. Okay, so here 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 1, so we can write Rp also, the reciprocal also will be 1 only, so we will be writing it as 1 ohm, right? Moving on to the second solution, 1 by Rp dash, that is these two resistors, we'll be taking it as 1 by R5 plus 1 by R6. So substituting the values of 1 by R5, we have 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. The LCM of these two, let's take it separately here. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 3 1s are. So 4 3s are 12. So we have 1 by Rp dash is equals to, LCM is 12. So 4 3s are plus 6 2s are, we got 1 by Rp dash is equals to 5 by 12. We need Rp dash, so Rp dash is equals to 12 by 5. When we divide 12 by 5, 5 2s are 10 point, okay, 2s are 10.2 carry, 5 4s are 20, 2.4 ohms. So Rp dash we got it as 2.4 ohms. Now moving on to the total resistance R between A and B. Between A and B, R is equals to, okay, Rp plus Rs plus Rp dash. So Rp, we have got 1 ohm plus R, that is R4, right? R4, which is we have got as 5 ohms plus Rp dash, what we have got here is 2.4 ohms. So when we add up these 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.4 ohms is the total resistance between A and B. So result we are going to write here. The result what you have to write here is, therefore the total resistance or equivalent resistance between A and B is 8.4 ohms. Now let's move on to the second numerical on combination of resistance. Here's the numerical. 4 resistors, each of resistance 2.0 ohms, are joined end to end to form a square ABCD. Draw the necessary circuit and calculate the equivalent resistance of the combination. So this is the question. Now square, we know this is generally the shape of a square. All the sides are equal. This is what we call it as a square. Okay, all the sides are equal. Now they are saying that we need to draw the necessary circuit diagram for 4 resistors, each of 2 ohms. So let's draw here. This is one resistor, another, this is another. So we have drawn 4 resistors, each of value they have given 2 ohms. So 2.0 ohms, this is 2.0 ohms, this is 2.0 ohms, and this is also 2.0 ohms. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the total or equivalent resistance of the given combination. Now let's write given. To write given, first let's take R1, okay, this is R2, this is R3 and this is R4. Okay, so we can write here R1 is equals to R2 is equals to R3 equals R4 equals to 0.0 ohms. This is what given in the question. Now, my dear students, let us see how we can make, whether we have to take parallel, which are the resistors to be taken, all these confusions. So let's remove this part. Okay. If we see this connection, what type of connection do you find this? What type of connection? This is one behind the other, end to end connection, right? So R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. If we join a resistor here, this particular resistor only, that is R4, is connected in parallel, right? So we can take R1, R2 and R3 connected in series. We know what is the series formula. Then take the parallel connection, add both together, we get the total resistance. So coming to the point here, we can write here to find the what we have to find is total resistance. R is equals to question mark in the circuit. Now formula I can take for resistance in series. Rs is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is these three resistors. And we have, when we get this total, 1 by R is equals to 1 by Rs plus 1 by R4. Okay. So now these are the two formulas what we are using. Let's solve the solution for this. Solution. Okay. So 1 by Rs is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So we get, that is 2.0 plus 2.0 plus 2.0 is equals to 6.0 ohms. This is what the total resistance in series of these three resistors R1, R2 and R3. Now the second formula says we want the total resistance. So 1 by R parallel, it is parallel connection because though these three are in series, what happens when we connect a resistor at the same end terminal, the total connection becomes parallel. So total resistance will be taken in parallel. So we will be taking here 1 by Rs plus 1 by R4. Okay. So 1 by R is equals to 1 by Rs, we got 1 by 6.0 plus 1 by 2.0. 1 by R, the LCM of 6 and 2 is 4. 6 and 2 is 6. So we will be taking 1 plus 3. So 1 by R is equals to 4 by 6. We get it here. So we can cancel it. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So R is equals to reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. So 2 1s are 1 carry 2 5s are 10, 1.5 ohms. So in result we are going to write that the total resistance, okay, or the equivalent resistance of the given combination is 1.5 ohms. So here is the third sum. Okay, let's see the sum. For the combination of resistors shown in figure, find the equivalent resistance between option A, C and D, that is here, and option B, A and B, that's the total resistance. So let's see now. Already, just forget this part. You remember something here. If you forget this part, you remember this parallel circuit, a square, we had done the sum just before, right? So here, and the remaining part. Now, generally we can take between C and D, the first combination they have asked is between C and D. So, equivalent resistance, we can take these three are in series and then this is connected in parallel, right? So, let's give the names first. R1, okay, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, we can take this as R5 and this as R6. Okay, so now we want the equivalent resistance between C and D. Between C and D comes only, that is R2, R3, R4 and R5, right? So in that too, R2, R3 and R4 are in series, and CD, between C and D, R5 is parallel to these three resistors. So now let's write given. Given is very simple because all the values are same. Okay, so we can write here R1 is equals to R2 is equals to R3 is equals to R4 equals R5 equals R6 is equals to 3 ohms. This is what given in the question. And what we have to find? To find R between, resistance between C and D, C and B. Okay, this is what asked, the first one, and second one is asked as resistance between, okay, A and B. This A and B represents from A all the resistors till B. Okay, now formula, let's design the formula for this. Let's design the formula. We want the first part, that is the resistance between C and D, between C and D. So we can take one formula as RS is equals to R2 plus R3 plus R4. This is the first formula because these three are connected in series. When we go to the parallel, we can write 1 by Rp. Okay, 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by Rs plus we have this value, that is 1 by R5. Okay, this is the formula to find the resistance between, the equivalent resistance between C and D. This is related to C and D. Okay, next we have the second, that is resistance between A and B. To find the resistance between A and B, we need everything. So we can take, see here now I am going to write R1, okay, plus we got total resistance between C and D, that is R between C and D, okay, between C and D plus R6 will give you total resistance between A and B. Okay, this is the total resistance between A and B. Okay, now let's go for the solution. Okay, let's go for the solution. First one, let's take resistance between C and D to calculate. R between C and D. Okay, solution for R between C and D. First one, so we have the formula RS is equals to R2 plus R3 plus R4. RS is equals to 3 plus 3 plus 3. We get RS is equals to 9 ohms. The first condition, the three resistors. Now we want total resistance between C and D, R between C and D. Okay, for that we are using the formula 1 by Rp. 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by Rs plus 1 by R5. 1 by Rs is how much? We have got it the value 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so 1 by Rp we get it as 3 and 9 LCM. So 9 is the LCM. 1s are plus 3. We got 1 by Rp is equals to 4 by 9, and Rp is the reciprocal. So 9 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 again, and 2 carry. 4 5s are 20. 2.25 ohms. This Rp is the resistance between C and D. Okay, so between C and D, how much we got? We got it as 2.25. Now moving on to finding the R between total resistance between A and B. This is the second part what we are going to do. Okay, so here R between, so we will be directly taking R1, that is the total resistance, R1 plus we have got Rp plus we have got here R6. This is already calculated by us. So R1 is equals to, we can substitute R1 we have that is 3 ohms plus Rp we have got as 2.2425 plus R6 is 3. So 3 plus 3 6, 8.25 ohms. That is the resistance between A and B. Now in the result you have to write first one, resistance between C and D is 2.25 ohms, and resistance between A and B is 8.25 ohms. Moving on to the fourth sum, here's the sum. It says that three resistors 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 6 ohm. Okay, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 6 ohm are connected to a 12 volt battery. As shown in figure, calculate total resistance. So this total resistance we have to calculate, and current in the circuit. Current is I. Okay, so we have to calculate the current. Let's write given. And my dear students, this is a very important question in the point of board examinations, because such type of questions are generally asked frequently in the board examinations. So please give importance to this particular numerical. So let's write the given. Okay, let's consider this resistor as R1, let's consider this as R2 and this as R3. Okay, let's first write everything what is given. We have a 12 volt battery, so V, potential difference, is equals to 12 volts. Okay, R1 is equals to 8 ohms, R2 is equals to 12 ohms, and R3 is equals to 6 ohms. These are the values what are given. Now we need to find the total resistance is the question. Okay, so let's write R total resistance is equals to question mark. They also have asked us to find current in the circuit, so that will be the total current. I is equals to question. These are the two things what we have to find. Now let's study the circuit. When you see the resistors connected here, you can easily identify that these two resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, so here we have to use the formula that is for the parallel connection. And here there is one resistance, so this is connected in series to the parallel of R2 and R3. So let's now write the formula based on this. So we'll write here formula. We need a total resistance. So first we need to calculate this parallel resistors. So I will write here 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1. Sorry, it is R2 and R3. Okay. Next we have this resistor which is connected in series. So total resistance R. Okay. Total resistance R is equals to, we got the value that is Rp, when we get the value of Rp, and that is R1. Okay, that will be the total resistance. So this is the formula what we calculate for total resistance, and this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. We have to calculate the total current. Once we get the total resistance, we can calculate I is equals to V by R. We have already studied this formula, okay, in Ohm's law. Now solution. Let's go for the solution. First one, total resistance, right? We have to calculate total resistance. In that we will be taking these two first. So we will be taking 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by Rp is nothing but here the value of R2 is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. Okay. Taking the LCM of 12 and 6. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 3 1s are, so 3 2s are 4, 12. 12 is the LCM, so 1 by Rp, we will be writing here 12 as the LCM, so 1 plus 6 2s are 2 1s are 2, 3 by 12. 1 by Rp is equals to 3 by 12. We need Rp. Rp is equals to 12 by 3, that is equals to 3 1s are 4s are. So we get 4 ohms. So the total resistance which of R2 and R3 which are connected in parallel is 4 ohms. Now we will calculate the total resistance. R is equals to Rp plus R1, that is 4 plus 8, okay, that is equals to 12 ohms. So total resistance of the given circuit is 12 ohms. Now we are going to calculate the current. So solution, second solution, okay. So total current in the circuit, total current, that we have the formula I is equals to V by R. So I is equals to V is already given to you, that is 12 volts, and resistance we have found just now, the total resistance is 12 ohms. We substitute here. So I 12 ones are 12 ones are, so we get 1, and the SI unit of current is ampere, so we get 1 ampere. So in the results, what you are going to write, my dear students? In the result, you are going to mention that the total resistance is 12 ohms and the total current in the circuit is 1 ampere. So this is all about the numerical sum combination of resistances. Next video I will be talking about resistivity, and we'll also be solving the numericals based on resistivity. Still then, stay tuned to my channel Gaurang the Motivator. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.